In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Outlook calendar private. This is a useful feature if you want to keep certain events or appointments away from prying eyes, ensuring your calendar details are only visible to you. Now, let's walk through the process step by step so that in no time you'll have full control over your calendar privacy. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Outlook login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Microsoft 365 site. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login details. This will allow you to access all the features that Outlook has to offer. After successfully logging into your account, you will be directed to the Outlook homepage. This is where you can manage your emails, calendar, contacts, and much more. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where the menu is. From here, you should click on Mail. This step is crucial as it leads you to the main workspace of Outlook. Once you're in the Mail section, your next task is to locate the Calendar option. You can usually find this in the bottom left corner of the screen as a small calendar icon. Clicking on this icon will redirect you to your calendar view. This is where you manage all your events and appointments, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't visited it before. Now let's move on to creating a new event. In your calendar view, you should see a button labeled New Event. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new form where you can input the details of your event, like the title, location, time, and date. But today we're focusing on privacy, so pay attention to the privacy settings as well. In this form, you'll want to find the section that allows you to set the privacy of your event. Typically, this is a small icon or drop-down menu that allows you to mark an event as private. By setting your event to private, only you will be able to see the details. It's a simple click but a powerful tool to ensure your privacy. And there you have it. Once you've filled out all the necessary details and assured that the event's privacy is set, save your event and you're done. Remember, the private setting obscures the details for others, showing only that the time is blocked out, keeping the content hidden. With these straightforward steps, you can now confidently keep your schedule to yourself. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your Outlook calendar privacy. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.